Module Pulleys and Wheels. Capstone. History has provided us some very interesting inventions. Even though they seem simple by today's standards, when we look back at them, they were actually complex for their time. Your local museum is holding an exhibition called Imaginary Machines of the Early 20th Century. In this capstone, you will use the concepts of pulleys and wheel and axle to build a machine that can transport messages across a room. If your final build is good, it will be displayed at the museum. To solve this problem, you first need to answer the following questions. Who is the person who is going to use your idea or output? This will be your user. Next question is, what is the problem you want to solve for them? This is the user's need. And the last question is, what engineering mechanisms will you use to solve this problem? What are the simple machines that are being used to transport the elephant in the picture?
Got that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Whatever. Uh, okay.
Oh, sorry, it's the wrong one. Okay, now.
On the basis of the video, we have to make a model which should. Next question is, in what situation will your transportation system be used? Question 4 is, what engineering assemblies are you going to use to build your machine? Answer is parts of pulleys and wheel and axle. Question 5. Sketch the model that you are planning to build and label the parts. This you have to sketch in your logbook. Last question is, write down the list of materials that you think you will need to build your machine. It will be displayed later in the video, in the next video. So here I am launching Crea application, grade 5, module pulleys and wheels, capstone. So here is the situation. These are the materials that we require to make the model. string, building block, materials of cart with wheels, materials of pulley frame, pulley and roller bearing. Let's start building the model. So here are the materials that I require to make my model. That was string, this is building block 15. Base plate, clip axle, pulleys. This is a pulley, proper pulley. In our project 1 we used something else, but this is a proper pulley. This is roller bearing which used to connect with the pulleys like this. This is building block 30. Now we will start making the material, the model. I'm going to take these building blocks and connecting it with each other and sliding it on the base plate on the same side, just like this. On the other side I am going to attach these building blocks. Just like this. See, the length is equal. I'm taking help of project 1 and project 2, and on the basis of that I am making my model. Now the length is same. Now I'm again connecting building block 30s together, and this is roller bearing and this is pulley that I'm going to attach. See how I am attaching this. I'm attaching it with the help of the clip axle. I'm inserting clip axle into the pulleys and it is ready. So this is my pulley. So the work of the clip axle is to hold the pulley with the roller bearing. Here I am attaching these pulleys. And it's done. I am attaching one more building block. And yes, it is done. So our pulley frame is ready. See how it is looking. And this is my cart. You all know how to make the cart. I showed you in project 2 how to make the cart the same way, the same instruction I followed and made this cart. So my cart is also ready. So what the modification I'm going to do is attaching this roller bearing to the cart, just like this, because I have to make a machine which used to shift the load as well as to lift the load. So here I combined two projects, pulleys and wheels. So in this way I am attaching pulleys to this cart. This will work as a movable pulley, and the pulleys on the ceiling of the frame will work as a fixed pulleys. So this is ready. This cart is also ready with pulleys. Here I will attach it. I will take help of the string and connect this pulley on the cart on the fixed pulley. And on the other end of this string I am going to attach it with the fixed pulley. As you can see, these pulleys are moving. Inserting on the other pulley, and it is almost done. So in this way my pulley frame as well as this cart is ready. These wheels will help to shift the load and transport the message, and this pulley is used to lift the load. So it is satisfying both the situation according to me. You just have to adjust the pulleys and all. Now this is help to transport the message with the help of the wheels, and pulleys helps to lift the load. So in this way I am pulling the rope and the load is going upwards. What improvements do you think your model needs? This you have to write in your own words.